Alright guys, day has finally arrived. I'm doing my upgrade. Many people thought the day wouldn't come, but it has. I'm upgrading from a shitty HP Pavilion 13-inch monitor, and we've gone straight up for a nice 24-inch LG widescreen high-definition monitor. Nice one, Jackos, for the find. We've got Battlefield 2 here, Bad Company 2, and Battlefield 3. Right, so far we've taken out the 9500 GT, which has done me proud over the last 3 years. And that was from Inno3D. And then with graphics card, we're going right up to a GTX 560 Ti Direct CUT top, which is the overclock version. Battlefield 3 promotional card from Asus. We're also upgrading the power supply, which is a standard 450 watt, and we're going straight up to a nice 750 watt power station, black edition from Novatech. Right, I'm going to put the card in now.